Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to remove sound or how you can delete audio file from your video clip in CapCut. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do, like for instance, I'm going to use this particular video clip right here. So I'm going to import this timeline, just like what you see right here. And this video here has an audio file. So let's play the video. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about one system. Let me increase the audio. Recently, there is a new update on one system. Just like what you see right here. So how do you remove or delete this particular audio from the timeline and the sound or what have you? That's go ahead and right click on the clip in the timeline, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on extract audio. So once you click on extract audio, then you have the audio file right here and you have the video file right here. Now for you to delete the audio or sound, go ahead and select the audio file and then press delete key on your keyboard and it will automatically be deleted. So by the time we play the video now, you find out that it's going to move. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you